A body of entrepreneurship and small business management literature argues that ethnic minority microbusinesses in an ethnic majority economic and social space are faced with two advantages. Number one is linked to smallness. They are small and they are faced with limited resources. And the second is foreignness, because they belong to a foreign ethnic group. Therefore, they are discriminated by the ethnic majority people or society. This was our motivation. Me and my co-authors, Professor Julie, Professor Wilson, Professor Leo Cordana, and Professor Martin Johnson. We asked ourselves two research questions. Number one is how ethnic culture contributes to the creation of human capital resources, and number two, how human capital resources shape microbusiness, ethnic minority microbusiness performance. This is because there is another body of literature within strategic management that argues certain resources are very useful for organizations and they can shape an organization's sustained competitive advantage and performance over a long term. Therefore, in order to answer our two research questions, we combined Bourdieu's forms of capital with the resource-based view, because there is another body of literature which argues that ethnic culture is a useful resource. In answering our two research questions, we analyzed qualitative interview data from our participants, and we developed a unique entrepreneurship and small business model, and we call this model the culture-induced entrepreneurship model. The model is unique in many aspects. One of them is it explains relationships between different intangible resources, organizational level resources, and the model explains that not everywhere and all the time foreignness and smallness are disadvantages. Under certain circumstances, ethnic minority microbusinesses can combine these different intangible resources and can sustain their performance. You got to have a look at the article itself to understand its theoretical contribution as well as implications for policy and practice. Thank you.